Hello friends, welcome back. So today I have for you a very interesting project. Now this is a book page idea. So if you're looking for ideas to use up your book pages, this is a good one. And what uh, these are just some over the page double pockets. So this is how they look from the front, and this is how they look from the back. I've just used this piece of paper to demonstrate how these work, but of course these would be clipped in your journals. So if you remove the clip, this kind of comes out, and you have a pocket here and a pocket at the back. You can clip it in place either from the top like this or from the side like this, and you can of course make it in any size you want. I've just experimented with two different sizes, and I really like how both of these look. So I thought we'll just make some together, so let's get to making some. I'll just put this aside. Now to make these pockets, I've just used book pages, two different sizes, and you can of course choose the size of your choice. Now what I've done is I've just simply, you have to just fold the paper so that you leave um, you know um, the bottom layer with an inch like this, so that you're not folding it right to the edge, you're leaving about an inch or so, and then you just fold the whole thing in half like that. So we'll just do for the both the pieces. Now of course you can fold this towards the right or towards the left, it doesn't really matter. That just results in the way your pocket faces, so if you're folding it this way, then your pocket would face like this, and your tags or whatever it is that you're using, they would just go in this way. That doesn't really matter, it's all up to you how you'd want to do it. So let's just fold this, and I've just inked the edges earlier on, so just so we can save some time. Now to make the pockets, what we need to do is we just need to glue the sides of the page. Now of course what you can instead do is, you can go to your sewing machine and just put a stitch like this and in the center, but just to keep it simple, I'm just gluing it down. So let's just do that. Now you just need a little bit of glue at the top, at the center crease, and at the bottom. Just press it lightly, and that's it. We'll just do the same for this one. A little glue at the top, some at the center crease, and a little at the bottom. Just like that. So we now have our two pieces ready. So to decorate these two pieces, I thought maybe we can, use some stamping first, just to give us some more background to work with. So I have just used, you this leaf stamp, and I thought we'll use that. And we'll just stamp at random. Now this particular paper has a lot of white space, so stamping would help, uh, maybe cover that up a little bit. And of course I really like the way stamps look on printed text. I think it looks really nice. Maybe we can use a different stamp now. Okay, so that is nice. Let's do something for this one. This is a large stamp and the piece is small, so just stamping thrice will suffice, I think. So, and what else can we do now? Maybe we can put some kind of a little collage. Now I have a few pieces here from my black and white kit, so maybe we can use that. Now we'll have to decorate both the front and the back, because obviously the back would show, when you turn the page around. Maybe first we can add a little bit of music paper. Maybe we can give ourselves a little bit of tone edge to work with. Like that, maybe. That would be too big, so let's just shorten it. I'm still finding it big. Maybe something like that. So let's just first ink the pieces. So there you go, like that. We'll just keep this one simple with no other, color element, like, I had for these pockets. I'd use some washi tape, some other stickers, some colored paper in the background. You could just do it however you like. And I've also used some lace on this one. Let's just keep these ones simple. Alright, and maybe a few words. like I have maybe something like that. Okay, so let's just quickly glue all the pieces down. You can of course go as elaborate as you want and just decorate, you know, up to your heart's content. I just feel sometimes keeping it simple works. That is one side of the pocket done. Let's do it for the bigger one. You know, just having it all white and brown, and just, you know, the pure black of, you know, the printed paper, and just the vintage photo distress. It has its own charm. So let's do the back for this one. Maybe we can just repeat what we did at the front. Like that. Alright, so let's just quickly ink the two music pages. And let's glue it down. Like that. So these are our two pages done, two pockets rather. So Okay, and this is how they look. Now obviously the print at the back of, the back side of the pocket is going to be upside down, but that doesn't really matter that much. So these are the book page, over the page double pocket that we made. Let's just see how they look on the page. Let's just remove these. Now this one would obviously look good on the left side of the journal, I mean the left pages, because the pocket is towards the left. Like that. I like how they look, and I think they kind of look good with this paper as well. What do you think? Okay, so maybe we can add something like this, a journaling card. I'd made this from a master board. Maybe a small tag in here, so that looks nice. So let me know how you found the video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until we meet again, take care. Bye.